Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Hope you guys did well, and those who could not get through, don't lose heart, and this time also we will work really hard, and next we will definitely succeed one day. Right, so this is Divya and I'm presenting today geography MCQs, and hope you guys are being regular with the test series and everything with your preparation. So now let us start. The first MCQ: which mountain range separates the Indian subcontinent from the rest of Asia? Options are Himalayas, Western Ghats, Aravalli Range, Satpura. So today I have decided I'll be putting very easy questions, so that again you get started. You are again starting. So that's why these easy questions. So the option, let us see the answer now, and you guys know the drill. You have to write your answers in the comment section and your score as well. So answer is A. So Himalayan mountain ranges, they separate the Indian subcontinent from the rest of Asia. Second MCQ: so the river that flows through the Sundarbans before emptying into Bay of Bengal is. Very easy question, guys. Those who know a bit of geography, that's it, you will answer this question. Options are Ganges, B Brahmaputra, C Yamuna, D in Mahanadi. So let us see the answer. So answer is A. So Ganges, this flows through the Sundarbans, and then before they empty into the Bay of Bengal. Now the third MCQ. So which of the following is not a type of rock? Again, very easy question. Options are igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, and D tectonic. Again, so let us see the answer. Answer is D. Tectonic is actually not a type of rock. It is these are the plates, okay, crustal plates. Now the movement of these tectonic also only causes the earthquakes, tremors, okay. Now, so the fourth MCQ: the Chilika Lake, which is the largest coastal lagoon in India, is located in which of the states? So very easy question. Anyone preparing for UPSC has to know this, okay. So Chilika Lake is present in which of the following states? So answer is options are Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. So the answer is A. Chilika Lake is present in Odisha, right? So the final MCQ: which of the following is a hot desert? Again, a very easy question, okay. So options are Thar Desert, Deccan Plateau, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, okay. So now let us see the answer. Answer is A. Thar Desert is present in India, and it is a hot desert, and you have to answer which in India which one is the cold desert, okay. We have cold desert as well in India, so which one is that? Very easy question that is as well. So with this we have completed today's plum series. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and tomorrow again we'll be back with 5 more MCQs, and hope you guys again are starting, and this time you will do your really best, and you will give your best, and be in tune with Vysh IAS, Vysh IAS, and ace your exams, right? So let's wrap up. Thank you.